Here we have Spyderco's Pacific Salt 2, and this is an all black out version. So it has the black coating, has the black FRN, even the lock back here is coated in black. This is in Spyderco's H1 steel, which is the most anti-corrosion steel currently on the market. Absolutely amazing steel for corrosion, and honestly this is our current bestseller. We've only been in Spyderco about 3 months as of this point, but we've sold more of these than anything else, which surprises me, but at the same point we are close to the coast and we have lots of fishermen down here that go deep sea fishing, so it shouldn't surprise me. At the same point, so we have a fully multi-positional pocket clip. You get 4 different locations that you can put it in, and like I said, just an all-around great knife. The handle is on the large side. You don't have a finger choil, but you have plenty of handle even for my large hand with extra, and it is still multi-positional. You can choke up on it, you can hold it, you can use this thumb ramp, which this is a large thumb ramp, and that is grippy. You are not gonna slip off of that. Absolutely like this knife. Take a look at the website for the current pricing and all the sizing information. Thank you much for watching.